Hello friends, today we're going to watch this video about money. This video is going to help you with an activity that you have for math today. To start with, we're going to review the value of some coins. So we have a penny that it's worth 1 cent, and this is how it looks like. And when you draw it, you can either draw a P or a 1, which means 1 cent. We have a nickel that's worth 5 cents. This is how it looks like. And when you draw it, you can either draw a N or a 5. We have a dime that's worth 10 cents, and you can draw a D or 10 for 10 cents. And then we have a quarter, which is worth 25 cents, and when you draw it, you can either draw a cube or 25 cents. So for today, the first activity that you're gonna have, it says what I have and what I need. You're gonna make sure you know how much money you need, and then you need to count how much money do you need to get to that number. For example, in this activity, they are telling us I have 25 cents. What coins do I need to have 36 cents? So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the 25 cents that I currently have, and I use in this opportunity 2 dimes and 5 pennies, okay? 10 plus 5 makes 25. Then you need to count from 25 to 36. Okay, so for that, I'm gonna use a nickel, which is worth 5 cents. And then I have 25 plus 5, it's 30, plus 6 makes 36. So here I have 5 plus 6, and that makes 11 more cents. So if I have 25 cents, I need 11 more cents to get to 35, okay? So what coins do I need? I need a nickel and 5 pennies, okay? When you draw it, you can either draw the number or the value of the coin, okay? For example, you can either draw 5 and 1 or N and P for penny, okay? Because drawing all these pictures will be very hard and it wouldn't be efficient for you to do that, okay? So this is the first thing you need to do in math today. Then we have this chart. Here we need to add money, okay? So this is what you have, this is what you need, and this is the money that, the total money that you're gonna be adding, okay? So, okay, I have in this exercise, I have 13 cents and I need to get to 25 cents. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw my 13 cents. I use a dime and 3 pennies. And from 13 to 25, I decided to add another dime. So now I have 23. And then 2 more cents makes 25. So in total, I needed 12 more cents from 13 to 25. Okay, in this exercise, I have 24 cents and I need to get to 38 cents. So the first thing again, I'm gonna draw my 24 cents, the money that I have. I use 2 dimes and 4 pennies and I need to get to 38. So 24 plus 10 equals 34 plus 4 equals 38. So I added 14 more cents in this opportunity. Okay, friends, so now it's your turn. You're gonna have this worksheet in your plan and you need to answer this question that we did together, and then you're gonna fill the chart that we also did together, okay? In case you have any question, please come and ask me in the one-to-ones and I'm here to help you, okay? Thank you very much. Bye-bye.